So I just got back from the mall and I bought a new pair of these New Balance shoes. And what I'm finding, let's have a look at these quickly first. What I'm finding is that Nike has a lot of competition. Now we all knew this, but these things are unbelievably comfortable. And this is not meant to be an ad for New Balance. I want to be very clear. This is a privately held company, but I put these things on. They're unbelievable, and they serve a very specific niche. Now, the reason I bring this up is because shares of Nike have been in the doldrums. And I like Nike. Again, this is no judgment on my part on anything about Nike as a company. I just see that they might be facing a lot more struggle than I think people might be realizing. So let me quickly show you the chart of Nike, and these are just fantastic shoes. Okay, so before we get to the chart of Nike, let me just give you a little bit of perspective. Nike, obviously it's a $90 billion company. That's this number here. So we can't compare it, to something like New Balance, which again is a private company. But I think what's interesting here is if we look at the company from a valuation perspective, just price earnings, and we look at next year's price earnings, so it's this number here, you can see that this company right now, if you look at this chart here, you can see it's not exactly trading cheaply, even though the stock price has basically come down. So someone still has a lot of hope for this company, and maybe rightly so. What I'm looking for at this point for Nike, and this is a multi-year chart here. Again, the stock is basically down about 60-something% since I think peaking back up there in about 2021. Yeah, stock's down at 66%. So I need to see some sort of a revival, either whether it's some product announcements or just a set of higher lows, and that's not happening yet. So at this point, Nike still remains in a bearish trend, and all our indicators, it even has I think near-term bearish momentum that's going to kick back in again here before long. So I have my concerns about Nike at this point. I want to believe in it, I really do, but I see again with those New Balance shoes, and again, this is not meant to be a commercial for New Balance or Nike. It's just objectively looking at what's going out there in the market. So that's a little bit of an update here. Hope it helps. See you guys soon.